Hello guys and welcome back to another video on Tutorial Guru. Today we're going to be teaching you how to use TikTok on your PC, but before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, head on over to your preferred browser and then on the search box simply type tiktok.com. This should redirect you to TikTok's official website where you'll be able to view any videos on TikToks as you wish. You can also log into your TikTok account that you've already made. You can continue with your Facebook, with your Google account, your phone number, your email number, etc. And this will allow you to get filtered content on TikTok. You can also look up various TikTok contents on this website without having to log in, and this is one of the ways you can use TikTok on your PC. Another way to use TikTok on your PC would be to directly install the TikTok application onto your device. For that, on the bottom of your screen, you'll be able to see a search box. On the search box, type Microsoft Store, and you'll be able to see the Microsoft Store option. Tap on it. This will redirect you to the Microsoft Store that is on your PC. Go ahead and maximize this window. Now go ahead to the search box and type TikTok. Here on my feed, I have the TikTok recommended below, so I'm going to simply click on it. After that, go ahead and click on the Get button to start the download of the TikTok application. After that, you'll be able to use TikTok on your PC. And these are all the ways you can use TikTok on your PC. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.